Hey, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I bought this light several months ago and I'm just now getting around to doing a review on it. I've used this for a few times on the job and it has its limitations, but for what I need it for, it works great. This is the Ryobi ONE P781 LED light. There we go. Since I'm doing the review now, I can get rid of that and throw it away. Here we go. Battery goes into the bottom like most of the other lights that they have. It is not a hybrid, which means you can use an extension cord or battery. Very simple design. Has a little hook right here so you can hang it with. You can fold in either direction. I wish they had a handle light on here instead of a hook. It'd be easier to carry. But you can tell right here, it had these little offset right here where you can just grab it like this and carry it with no problem. Okay, let's see here. It is 18 volt LED area light. 330 lumens of light output, and I'm just taking a stab in the dark saying on low is going to be around 100 lumens. Up to 73 hours of runtime. Of course, that would be with one of the higher batteries. Battery and charger sold separately. Now I bought this, I don't know if I got a good deal on this or not, but sometimes you can find these for under $20, and I think I paid like $30 for it. Let me pull this out right here, see if I can read this better. There we go. Battery, 18 volt, let's see. 1 pound, total weight 1 pound. It has a USB port, 1 amp USB port, which is right here on the side. Now I will probably never use this, since I can charge my phone and tablet and computer from the work truck. Here's the off and on switch right here. That's basically it. Let's get some measurements to show you how big this is. Without a battery, it is almost 7 3/4 by 5 1/2 by 3 1/4. Now these are approximate dimensions, not exact. And I have a battery back here behind me somewhere. Here it is. I've got a 4 amp battery in here, and it just snaps right in. Pretty basic right there. Now I like the battery being on the bottom because for me, working outside on my truck, doing some projects outside for my job, sometimes the wind blows, and with it being the battery in the bottom, it's going to be bottom heavy instead of top heavy or side heavy. So that's going to make it more stable. And I'm going to turn off this overhead light. And over here, over there, I have a TV playing. Let me go ahead and turn that off. If I can find the remote. There it is. And turn that on. Okay, and I have my monitor behind me, computer monitor. I'm just going to leave that on for now. Computer's over there. I have 3 monitors on behind me. Anyway, push the button 1 time for high, 2 times for low, 3 times be off. So 1 time, low, off. Turn the light back on over here. Now, this light is not intended to be a work light, such as or searchlight or something shoots off light at a long distance. This is an area light, and it's perfect for it's going to throw the light this way instead of like a set direction. So this would be perfect for camping, playing cards or cooking with. Just an area light by the campfire if you need something to pick up and walk back forth. It'd be good for using inside the camper or in your tent. Something to that effect, but like I said, it's not really a work light, it's an area light. There's a big difference. So if you buy this, don't get confused that it's going to be the brightest light out there and the strongest light and put out the most light. It's not meant for that. So what I use it for, I think it's going to work out great. And I've got a short video here with me on the job site, and I have this on the back of my truck. So let me pull that up and let's take a look at that. Here you can see the light on the back of this pickup truck. Now you'll notice it's not like a spotlight glow light. It's just like a little area light. Let's see, put it towards the middle of the tailgate. Back up a little bit. Now for what I'm doing here, this should be pretty sufficient. But if you're going to expect it to be like a spotlight, that's not what this light is intended to be like. If you're camping on a picnic table, maybe playing some cards, this light's pretty good. Here it is on high beam. Turn it sideways, see how it looks in there. Put on low beam and back up, see how it looks. There you go, that's low beam. So, not bad. It has its purposes and it has its limitations also. So, I think for what I'm going to do right here today, it's going to work out. Back on high beam again. Back up and here I'm about 20 feet away. Got a piece of plywood behind it, reflecting a little bit of the light. So take it as it is, what it is, and let's go from there. Okay, as you can see from my video outside, you can see the type of light that this puts out. And I hope you understand that what I mean by this is not really a work light. It's an area light. It's a big difference. And one of the big advantages to this over candles or kerosene lamps or kerosene lanterns or anything that uses a liquid for light, kids can carry this and drop it and it won't matter. It won't start a big fire. Kids can carry this. Kids can use this very easily. No matches or no lighters involved. Push a button and it comes on. Safety. I'm a big person for safety, and this is great for safety around your house. Put it next to your bed. If the electricity goes out in the wintertime, you've got a light to read by. You got a light to set your phone by. Or, if need be, you've got a USB port here to charge your phone with in an emergency. Now granted, this isn't the best charger right here. I would only use it in an emergency, not for general use. But this light does have a specific use, and I'm going to enjoy using it for that use. If you have one of these, tell us how you use yours. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.